Welcome to Money Matters. We are a resource for anyone who craves greater financial freedom. Our goal is to give you the best tools, advice, and up-to-date tips and strategies so that you can live your best life. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for up-to-date information. Alright, so let's hop into today's topic. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Rich Dad, Poor Dad tells the story of a boy with two fathers, one rich, one poor, to help you develop the mindset and financial knowledge you need to build a life of wealth and freedom. This is a must-read book because there is a wealth of knowledge, but luckily for you in this video, we are going to summarize the key takeaways and provide the top 4 lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So stay tuned to the end of the video to get all of this valuable information. Alright, so let's begin. Number 4. Working all your life for someone else can lead to financial struggle and limit your earning capability. This isn't an attempt to put down anyone who spends their life working for someone else. Having a stable, reliable job is a great way to start on your journey toward building wealth. The fundamental limiting factor with being an employee is that you're always trading time for money. And since you only have so much time to give to your employer, it creates an absolute limit to how much you can earn. There are also limits to how much an employer will pay for any position, regardless of the quality of your work. For example, let's say you work in an occupation where the pay range is between $75,000 and $100,000. Even if you're exceeding the best expectations of the job, you'll probably never make more than $100,000. When you're self-employed, you're free to take your business in any direction. That means taking on more challenging and profitable business directions, and even creating additional income streams. Another added benefit is that there's no cap on the amount of money you can earn. The more you can earn, the more you can save and invest to gain real wealth. Number 3. Rich people acquire assets, not liabilities they think are assets. One of the major misconceptions so many have about rich people is that they all inherited their money. Look at someone who is a self-made millionaire, and there's an outstanding chance he or she spent most of their life acquiring assets that generate income. Typical assets acquired by the rich include stocks, bonds, investment funds, income-generating real estate such as investment properties, real estate investment trusts, and businesses. What they all have in common is that they either have the ability to generate a steady income, increase in value, or both. Over time, the growth in income-generating assets results in a higher income. Eventually, the income being produced by those assets may be sufficient for the owner to live comfortably without having to work anymore. Please do us a favor. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with others on social media. It really helps to support and grow the channel. Alright. Number 2. It's not how much money you make that matters. It's how much money you keep. One of the behaviors that most separates the rich, especially the self-made rich, from others is the emphasis on saving money. Most people prioritize spending over saving and investing, and this lack of priority hinders your ability to build wealth. You should always pay yourself first, meaning learning to prioritize saving and investing, and then spend, instead of the other way around. The rich operate differently, particularly among those who aspire to become wealthy. Though financial planners may recommend saving and investing 10% or 15% of your income on a regular basis, the aspiring rich may save 30%, 40%, and even 50% or more of their income. And now what you've all been waiting for, the number 1 lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is: most people work for money. Rich people have money work for them. If you talk to most people about how to make money, the conversation will usually gravitate toward jobs, and that is not a bad thing, especially early in life. The first step toward building wealth is generating a basic income. If you have no assets and no skills you can sell to the general public in exchange for money, a job is certainly the most convenient way to produce a cash flow. But the difference between rich people and everyone else is that the rich don't stay in the job phase for very long. They realize early that to become rich, they need to become the people who hire others into jobs and not a job holder. Instead of spending their life working for money, the rich work to understand how to make money work for them through financial education. Very simply, the rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Working to add more assets is much different than working for a paycheck. The lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad aren't meant to make you feel your situation is hopeless if you've been handling your finances the way the majority of people do. Rather, it's to give you an insight as to how rich people become rich. That involves major behavioral changes. But if you can embrace them as part of your financial routine, the entire monetary dynamic in your life will change for the better. Even if you can't save and invest 30, 40, or 50% of your income, set a more reasonable goal. What's more important is that you start today on your financial journey toward building wealth and financial independence. That's all for today's video. Comment below with your thoughts and let us know if we missed anything. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time.